Hello, my friends. I'm Dr. Anna Schneider, a physician with over 15 years of experience helping people just like you reclaim their bodies from the grip of back pain. Let me ask you something right off the bat. Have you ever woken up feeling like your spine's staging a silent rebellion? Or maybe you bent down to tie your shoes and thought, oh no, this is it, I'm stuck. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Back pain is one of the sneakiest thieves out there. It steals your energy, your confidence, and sometimes even your joy. But here's the good news, you don't have to let it win. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on some of the most effective home remedies I've seen work wonders, not just in my clinic, but in my own life too. Picture this, me, a busy doctor, chasing after my kids, juggling patient charts, and bam, back pain hits. I've been there, and I've fought my way back to freedom. And you can too. This isn't about quick fixes or empty promises. It's about real, science-backed solutions you can start using today, right in your own home. We're talking heat therapy, gentle stretches, posture hacks, and so much more. You're not just a viewer here, you're my partner in this journey. So grab a comfy seat, don't slouch, and let's dive in. Oh, and one last thing, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Drop your city or country in the comments below. Let's build this global community of back pain warriors together. Alright, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. As a doctor, I've seen back pain wear a lot of different masks. Maybe it's a dull ache that lingers after a long day, or a sharp stab that catches you off guard. But why does it happen? Let's break it down like we're chatting over coffee. Your spine is this incredible masterpiece, 33 vertebrae stacked up like building blocks, cushioned by discs, and held together by muscles, ligaments, and nerves. It's your body's central support system, but it's not invincible. Most back pain, about 80% of it, is what we call mechanical. That means it's tied to how you move, sit, or even sleep. Think of poor posture, tight muscles, or a little strain from lifting something heavy the wrong way. Then there's the other 20%, things like herniated discs, arthritis, or even stress. Yes, your mind can play a role. I've had patients come to me saying, Dr. Anna, I didn't even do anything crazy, why does it hurt? And I tell them, your back doesn't need a dramatic injury to scream for help. Sometimes, it's just been whispering for a while, and you didn't hear it. Here's where the motivation kicks in. Understanding this is your first step to taking control. You're not a victim of your back, you're the boss of it. Knowledge is power, and today, I'm handing you the keys to that power. So, what do you think? Does your back pain feel like a mystery, or are you starting to connect the dots? Let me know in the comments, I'm dying to hear your story. Now, before we jump into remedies, let's talk about one big truth. Your body wants to heal. It's designed to. Those muscles? They can relax. Those joints? They can loosen up. All they need is a little nudge from you. And that's where these home remedies come in. They're not magic potions. They're tools to wake up your body's natural healing superpowers. Ready to meet them? Let's go. First up, let's talk about heat therapy. If I could give one remedy a gold star, this might be it. Picture this, you've had a long day, your lower back's grumbling, and all you want is relief. Enter the heating pad, or even a warm towel if that's what you've got. Why does it work? Science time. Heat boosts blood flow to your muscles. More blood means more oxygen and nutrients, which help those tight, cranky muscles relax. Plus, it dulls the pain signals racing to your brain. It's like hitting the mute button on your back's complaints. In my practice, I've seen patients transform with this simple trick. One woman, let's call her Sarah, came to me with chronic stiffness. She started using a heating pad for 15 minutes a night, and within a week, she was moving like a new person. I've done it myself too. After hours hunched over my desk, 20 minutes of heat feels like a warm hug for my spine. Here's how to do it. Grab a heating pad or fill a sock with rice and microwave it for a minute. Place it on the sore spot for 15 to 20 minutes. Not too hot, think cozy, not scorching. And don't fall asleep with it on, okay? Safety first. If you've got swelling or a fresh injury, skip this. Heat's best for chronic aches or stiffness. Now, I'm curious, what's your go-to way to unwind after a tough day? Have you tried heat before, or is this new to you? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to swap ideas. Listen, every time you use heat therapy, you're telling your back, I've got this. You're not just easing the pain, you're proving to yourself that you can fight back. That's strength, my friend. That's you taking the reins. So go ahead, give it a try tonight, and let me know how it feels. Next up, stretching. Oh, I know what you're thinking, Dr. Anna, I'm not a yoga guru. Trust me, you don't need to be. These are gentle, beginner-friendly moves I've taught everyone from teenagers to grandmas. Stretching isn't about twisting yourself into a pretzel, it's about giving your muscles permission to let go of tension. Why does it work? Your back muscles, like your hamstrings, hip flexors, and lower back, get tight from sitting too long or moving awkwardly. Tight muscles pull on your spine, and suddenly, you're stiff as a board. Stretching lengthens those muscles, improves flexibility, and takes the pressure off. Studies show it can cut pain by up to 30% in just a few weeks. That's huge. Let's try one together, the knee to chest stretch. Lie on your back, bring one knee toward your chest, and hold it for 20 seconds. Switch sides. Do it 3 times each. Feel that gentle pull? That's your lower back saying thank you. Another favorite is the cat-cow stretch. On all fours, arch your back up like a cat, then dip it down like a cow. Flow between them for a minute. It's like a mini massage for your spine. I've had patients tell me, Dr. Anna, I started stretching, and I feel taller. And I get it, it's not just physical. It's emotional. You're moving again, and that's a victory. So, what do you say, will you give one of these a shot today? Which one sounds doable for you? Share it below, I'm rooting for you. Every stretch is a step toward freedom. You're not just easing pain, you're telling your body, I'm in charge here. That's power. That's pride. So stand tall, my friend, you've got this. Okay, confession time, how many of you are slouching right now? Be honest. I won't judge, I've caught myself doing it too. But here's the deal, posture isn't just about looking good. It's a game changer for back pain. When you slouch, your spine curves unnaturally, your muscles overwork, and your discs get squished. Over time, that's a recipe for trouble. The fix? Small, intentional tweaks. Sit with your feet flat, shoulders relaxed, and back supported. Stand with your weight even on both feet, not leaning to one side like I used to do in the grocery line. And when you're on your phone, we all are, hold it at eye level instead of hunching over. I call these posture power moves because they're simple but mighty. In my clinic, I've seen posture changes turn lives around. One guy, let's call him Mike, fixed his desk setup and went from daily pain to hiking again. It's not instant, but it builds. So, check your posture now, how's it feeling? Any tweaks you could make today? Let me know, I'm your posture cheerleader. Motivational push. Every time you sit up straight, you're rewriting your story. You're not a slave to pain, you're a warrior reclaiming your throne. That's badass, and I'm so proud of you. Before we wrap up, let's sprinkle in some extras. Your mind matters, stress tightens muscles, so try deep breathing or a quick meditation. Diet too, anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric or fish can help. And don't sleep on sleep, literally. A firm mattress and a pillow between your knees can work wonders. What's your favorite way to de-stress? Any foods you swear by? Share below, I'm always learning from you too. There you have it, my friends, your toolkit to kick back pain to the curb. I'm Dr. Anna Schneider, and I'm so honored to be your guide. You're stronger than you know, and every step you take, every stretch, every heat session, is proof of that. So try one remedy tonight, and let me know how it goes. Where are you watching from? Drop your city or country in the comments, and tell me, what's your biggest back pain win so far? Hit that like button if this inspired you, and subscribe, we've got more battles to win together. Until next time, keep fighting, you've got this.